Hello everyone, today we are going to make a project which is battery level indicator. So let's see what all the components we will require for this project. So we will need one breadboard, 3 470 ohm resistor, one red LED, one yellow LED and one green LED, some batteries of different voltages and battery snapper. First of all, take red LED. The longer terminal is positive and shorter terminal is negative. Place the LED on the breadboard. Now take the yellow LED and connect its positive terminal to the negative terminal of red LED. Now take a green LED and connect its positive terminal to the negative terminal of yellow LED. Now take a 470 ohm resistor and connect its one terminal to the negative terminal of red LED and another terminal to the negative rail of the breadboard. Take another 470 ohm resistor and connect this resistor between the negative terminal of yellow LED and the negative rail of the breadboard. Similarly, we will connect this third 470 ohm resistor between the negative terminal of green LED and the negative rail of the breadboard. Now take a battery snapper. The red wire is positive and black wire is negative. Connect the positive wire to the positive terminal of red LED and connect the negative wire to the negative rail of the breadboard. Now we are going to connect the batteries of different voltages to the battery snapper and LEDs will light up accordingly. So we have two batteries with us. This battery is fully charged with 9 volt and this battery is a bit discharged. The voltage of this battery is 4.5 volt. Now let's connect this battery to the battery snapper. As you can see, as the voltage of this battery is low, only one LED, that is red LED, is glowing, which indicates that the voltage of the battery is low. Now let's replace this battery with fully charged. Now we will connect this 9 volt battery and you can see all the 3 LEDs turned on. So this is how a battery level indicator project is going to work. Thank you.